Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss Norwegian verbs, how to use Preterite and Present Perfect. Mastering Norwegian requires understanding its verb tenses, and two tenses that stand out are the Preterite, Preteritum, 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 and Present Perfect, Presens Perfektum, Presens Perfektum, Presens Perfektum. This comprehensive our discussion today, we will delve deeper into these tenses, illustrating their distinctive features and applications. Unpacking the tenses. Preterite, Preteritum. The preterite is the Norwegian equivalent of the simple past in English. It captures an action or event that started and concluded entirely in the past. For example, jeg snakket med henne, jeg snakket med henne, jeg snakket med henne. I talked to her. De reiste til Norge, de reiste til Norge, de reiste til Norge. They traveled to Norway. Present perfect. Presens Perfektum, Presens Perfektum, Presens Perfektum. The present perfect in Norwegian provides a bridge between the past and the present. It often expresses action or events that began in the past but have relevance or connection to the present moment. Formation. The present perfect combines the present tense of the auxiliary verb å ha, to have, with the past participle of the main verb. For example, jeg har snakket med henne, jeg har snakket med henne, jeg har snakket med henne. I've talked to her. De har reist til Norge, de har reist til Norge, de har reist til Norge. They have traveled to Norway. Deciphering preterite. Specific time frames. The preterite is the go-to tense when discussing action or events anchored to a specific time in the past. Vi spiste middag klokka 19 i går. Vi spiste middag klokka 19 i går. Vi spiste middag klokka 19 i går. We ate dinner at 7 p.m. yesterday. Narratives and sequences. The preterite sets the scene for storytelling or describing sequences of past events. Hun åpnet døra, smilte og sa hei. Hun åpnet døren, smilte og sa hei. Hun åpnet døren, smilte og sa hei. She opened the door, smiled and said hello. Habitual past actions. The preterite is ideal for habits or repeated actions confined to the past. Da jeg var liten, leste jeg hver kveld. Da jeg var liten, leste jeg hver kveld. Da jeg var liten, leste jeg hver kveld. When I was little, I read every night. Decoding present perfect. Relevance to the present. If an action's exact timing isn't the focus, but its effect or relevance to the present is, present perfect shines. Hun har mistet nøklene sine. Hun har mistet nøklene sine. Hun har mistet nøklene sine. She has lost her keys. Here the emphasis is not on when she lost them, but on the present consequence. She doesn't have them now. Continuing actions. If an action commenced in the past and persists to the present moment, present perfect is fitting. Jeg har bodd her i 5 år. Jeg har bodd her i 5 år. Jeg har bodd her i 5 år. I've lived here for 5 years. This implies the speaker still lives at this location. life experiences. The present perfect encapsulates life experiences without pinpointing their exact timings. De har vært i Spania flere ganger. De har vært i Spania flere ganger. De har vært i Spania flere ganger. They have been to Spain several times. Achieving proficiency in Norwegian necessitates a keen understanding of its tenses, particularly the preterite and present perfect. Engaging with the language through conversations, books, in classes or media will foster an intuitive sense of when to deploy each tense. Embrace continuous learning and practice, and watch your Norwegian linguistic prowess grow. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with the rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcast, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, one-on-one private Norwegian classes, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.